This power issues here in Islamabad is getting to my nerves, but I still don't want to talk about it. So anyways, you guys are watching day 35 of our vlog, and in this video I'm gonna feature a YouTuber who has made his 100th video. Hey guys, this is Abir Khan and this video is dedicated to Awais, who just made his 100th vlog. So I just wanted to appreciate his efforts and all that, and he's been doing great job. I'm following him for like 50 vlogs or something like that, and he's been awesome and he's been great. So if you haven't checked out his channel or didn't know him, make sure to check out his channel. I'll paste the link to his channel in the description box below as well. So congratulations Awais. Have a great day, have a blast of a day, and keep up the great videos coming, and make sure to follow me on Twitter. So this is it guys, just wanted to give a shout out to a very good and unique vlogger Awais for his 100th video, because I want YouTube community to grow stronger. So once again, congratulations Awais, and thank you for all those 100 videos.